Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Autopay and Razorpay, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So if you've actually set up recurring payments or subscriptions and you want to stop them, guys, it is pretty straightforward. So first things first, guys, what you want to actually do is log in to your Razorpay account using your credentials, log into the dashboard, and once you're in, guys, you want to go to the subscription section. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Okay, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. You just want to locate the specific subscription that you want to cancel autopay for, and then you want to click on it to view the details, right? In the subscription details, what you want to look for is the cancel subscription button or option. Razorpay usually gives you the ability to stop future payments directly here. Simply click on cancel. Okay, you can click on cancel and confirm your action. This will immediately end any future autopay transactions for that subscription, guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. And that's it, guys. You've successfully canceled autopay and Razorpay. Always remember to check your email or Razorpay account for confirmation that the subscription has indeed been canceled. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you still need any help in the comments below, I will be helping you out. So you can write a comment. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe